Okay, folks, I'm working on a Phillips 212 turntable. These things have a setup where the on-off speed selector are a bunch of finger touch sensitive controls. And you can see kind of the bottom of the middle one is stop. You got 33 and 45 on each end. So there's a light bulb there that lights up when you touch the appropriate button on the top of the turntable. The touch sensor is malfunctioning. If you hold your finger on that touch sensor, it'll run at 33 or 45. But the minute you lift your finger, it stops running because the sensor is bad. And the only way to get this thing fully functioning, these parts are hard to come by to fix this the proper way. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take, if you look at, let's see here, this black wire here, which is running there, and this red wire here, if you jump those two, that puts it in 33 RPM mode, and I'm going to wire it that way, and I'm going to leave it that way. I mean, almost everybody that's listening to records or listening to albums are not listening to 45s anyway. That's the only thing stopping this from being a viable turntable. It's a nice little machine, and it's been sitting here for quite a while like that. And I just started thinking, well, if I do this, I can make it useful. So that's kind of what I'm in the middle of doing right now. So yeah, I'm going to get this soldered and arranged and put back together. And then once I do, I'll flip this over and I'll kind of show you guys that it's in working order and whatnot now. So anyway, I'm getting ready to make the jumper. I'll just use one of the wires. I think I'm going to use the black wire, and I'll cut it, make it a little bit shorter, and I'll jump it over and solder it in place where that red wire is connecting to the board there. Like I said, that'll put it in constant 33 RPM mode. So anyway, I'll be back. Okay, folks, there it is. I got it wired up. Just flip the switch on, turn the power switch on, it comes on to 33. I just finished adjusting the speed, got it dialed in, working great now. This has new cable ends. I ran a new ground wire inside. It's a cool little turntable. It's just too bad that the touch sensors are not working. I've had other these have came in and they can be a problem. It's a known issue on these, but anyway, she's done.